Hello everyone, today we have this equation. So when you see this equation where we have addition, we have parentheses, we have division, another addition within the parentheses, you must remember the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. The order of operation, which is PEMDAS, tells us how to solve the equation. I mean, in which order, which operation must be done first. So P stands for parentheses. It's always done in the first place. We have parentheses, meaning then from all these operations, we'll do first what's inside the parentheses. Then second is whatever are the exponents. In this case, we don't have exponents, but by rule, they are done in the second place. Then in the third place, we have multiplication and or division. In this case, we can see, okay, we have here one multiplication, and here a division. What's important to notice is multiplication and division must be done from left to right. So we cannot just, okay, let's do first division, then let's do another division, then let's do multiplication because it's easier for us to calculate. No, to not get confused and mix something up, we will do from left to right. So we'll do first this one, the second, and the third operation. And in the fourth place always comes addition or subtraction. So we have addition, we will do it in the fourth place. Okay, this said, let's resolve it. So we have 3 plus 2 multiply 1 plus 1 equals 2, multiplied by 2 and divided by 4. Okay, then we have 3. Now we do multiplication and division from left to right. Here we have 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, multiplied by 2 is 8, divided by 4, which then equals 8 divided by 4 is 2, is 3 plus 2, and the answer is 5. Here you could have written this 2 multiplied by 2 as 4 and divided by 4 right away, but I didn't want to confuse you and we did it just straight line from left to right. But of course, this you could have written as, because division is also can be written as a fraction, you could have written 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 4. Yeah, so here we have 4 multiplied by 2 divided by 4, and you could have easily simplified 4s and get 2 as answer. But again, the easiest way is just to follow the order of operation and do from left to right. And of course, the correct answer is 5. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Ciao, ciao.